Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's Rachel here with another amazing video for Makers Gonna Learn, your ultimate die cutting community. Today we're going to be talking about the 5 Cricut projects that you can make that are guaranteed to make you money. So if you guys are interested in making and selling your own projects for profit, definitely click the very first link in the description below where you guys can get a free roadmap to success with building your business. All these projects I'm going to be showing you today can not only ship really easily, but they can also ship affordably. And if you are a beginner with creating your own projects to sell, let me let you in on a secret, and that is anything that you can customize, you can get more money from. That's right. If you have a doormat and you need to put a last name on it, or someone orders a car decal with a monogram, you guys can charge more for customizing that order, which is amazing. While we're only showing you 5 projects in this video today, in Design Make Sell, which you can also check out at that link below, we give you guys over 50 different training videos on not only how to build your business, but how to master that professional business through your die cutting machine. And while, like I mentioned, we're only showing you 5 today, in some of those courses, we have over 20 projects that are guaranteed to make you guys money. And we even have a training on the products and projects you should not make, the ones that really will not make you much money, that are too hard to source and too hard to make. So if you are interested in all of that, along with the ins and outs of just building that business, don't forget to check that out in the links below. We're going to start off with doormats. These are pretty easy to find as far as blank doormats go. As you can see, this one right here is kind of like a blank canvasy color. It's a bit lighter than most doormats you see, but that means you can add more colors to it. If you guys don't know how to make a freezer paper stencil for your doormats, it is amazing. The process is so easy and super simple. It'll only take you a few minutes to create, depending on your order and the difficulty of that order. And then once dry, guys, these actually ship really easily. You can get a long skinny box, or you can even make them. There are hacks to do that. Simply roll it up and ship it out. A lot of people are wondering, how do I ship this? Is it worth the money? And it 100% is. Guys, you can sell these for a lot of money. Now, speaking of what to sell these at, in Design Make Sell, in those amazing courses talking about a lot of products like this, we do go over some of the retail prices that you can price these at, which, let me tell you guys, that is great information to know, as well as a lot of different formulas on how to price things yourself. So again, if you're interested in pricing, we do have the content for you. The most popular doormat designs we've seen is ones with last names that you customize, of course. Those are the easiest to do. Some people might want a more detailed design like a Santa Claus or a forest or something like that, and definitely fulfill orders, depending on your comfort level with that exact order. Let them know if you want to on your Etsy store or wherever you're selling them. Give them options for fonts and options for designs. It's always good to give your customers options so they don't ask for a product that you are not comfortable making. So definitely make sure that you're doing that. But again, the most popular is last names, which are super easy to do with a very simple freezer paper stencil. Next up is one of the products you are going to sell the most of, and that is mugs. We love mugs here. We keep a lot of different colors, designs, and patterns here in the studio because we use them so often. These are so easy to create, and you guys can get a lot of money for these if you can find the mug at the right price. Also, since you're only going to be adding a little decal, whether that's a design that you have, an SVG that you already have, or if you make a customized last name with fonts or something like that, it still only uses just a little bit of vinyl. So you're really not using that much product when you make a mug. Another amazing thing you guys can do if you want to is add an option in your business to allow the customer to choose if you want to seal the mug or not. You can let them know the difference between having a mug that is unsealed, which would mean that they would need to hand wash and quickly dry after hand washing, or you can say if you would like this mug and the decal to last a lot longer, you can go ahead and seal these, and if they want to do that, you can charge a couple bucks extra or something like that, and you can seal these. If you would like to know how to seal mugs, we have a bunch of videos all about it. I will link some below for you guys. But mugs are a great way to have something that is super easy to quickly make and sell because you just have these sitting there. It's not quite like a doormat, how you have to make sure that everything dries and you can roll it up and ship it. It is easier to make and ship because it is smaller. One of the things you want to be sure to have is really good packing materials with this. Since it is porcelain, you want to make sure to have bubble wrap and paper and make sure it's packed very tightly so that it's not going to get broken or anything, because the last thing you want is a customer to receive their personalized product and it be broken. Another tip we want to share with you guys is to bulk buy whenever you see fit. This mug that we got here was originally $10 from Hobby Lobby, and we really like the trendy color and pattern. So we bought a couple of these and saw how they sold, and since they did really well, you guys can go back and then buy all the stock that they have, or just several, to get you guys up to date with your orders. We love this because if you guys go on Amazon or to the dollar store or to Walmart and you like a specific mug, you can buy a couple and try it out, and if you really like the quality of the mug, then you can buy in bulk to have a ton for future orders. So just think about that next time that you're shopping for mugs. Talking about ease of shipping and easy to make, that is decorative towels. These guys can be made in just a few minutes and are shipped out so quickly. All you guys will need for these is a little bit of HTV, depending on the design that your customer chooses. And to ship these out, you can slip them in a little bubble mailer or something like that and not have to worry about these breaking or anything like that. Sometimes it's nice to ship these with care instructions because it is iron-on these cotton towels. So if you want to say, hey, if you plan on, washing these, wash them in cold water with mild detergent, things like that. Little care cards are a little way that you guys can go the extra mile for your customers. So again, we love these towels. These are flour sack towels. These specific ones are from Target, but you can get these anywhere. They sell packs of 10 and 20 at Walmart. You can find them online. They're really simple towels and they look super cute in any home. Like the mug, with these towels, you're not using a lot of vinyl, which means you do not have a ton of money invested in this product, which you can then sell for a lot more money. Like the doormat, these might need to be personalized with names and not necessarily a cut file, so you can charge more for that, just like with the doormat. We love being able to use fonts to personalize things like this because anytime something is customized, you can raise the price, which is awesome. And it's not very hard to do, and you don't use any more material than you would otherwise. Moving on, another product that you guys will always sell a ton of is vinyl decals. Whether they're for your car, whether they want to add them to their own mug at home, whether they want to add them to their book bag if they want it to be HTV, or if you want to add this to a laptop case, anything like that, these suckers will sell like hotcakes. These are amazing to make. Of course, they're super, super thin, so they're easy to ship and they're really easy to make. They only take a little bit of vinyl. You can give your customers sizes and colors to choose from. So of course, make sure that you always have those colors in stock just to make sure you can get these shipped out fast. But since there's no dry time or anything like that, like the doormat has, these can be made and shipped in the same exact day. They're super easy. They take barely any money, especially if you buy a really good brand of vinyl in bulk. It will cost you pennies on the dollar. These are always a really easy win if you're wanting to sell this. And guys, last but not least, the other item that you guys will sell a ton of, you guessed it, t-shirts. These are amazing to be able to personalize and customize for your customers, and they're super easy to make and ship. Just like these towels, you will use a little bit more HTV than on the towels, but still you will definitely get your money back, especially if you buy your shirts in bulk from like a bulk website, or you can find them on sale in a local craft store. In Design Make Sell, we have several videos all about buying in bulk, where to buy in bulk, really good prices. We talk about our favorite brands and why brands matter. If you guys sell your customers a cheap shirt, it is really going to show. You need to take the extra step and make sure that you have a good quality shirt for your customers. And this is Comfort Colors. We love Comfort Colors brand. We go through 3 to 5 brands in Design Make Sell that we really love. Talk about pricing, where you can buy them for super cheap and things like that. But shirts are great. Again, you can sell them for a lot of profit. If you can get your shirt cost down, of course, course, you can get even more revenue after that sale, and they're overall great. Just like doormats, just like the mugs, the towels, and the decals, personalize these, you can get more money for them. Let's say if you have a customer come to you and say, hey, I have a bridal party, I need bride squad on all of these. You can give them options for amazing fonts to use, little decals, give them options if they want to use glitter iron on, things like that. Anything that you can allow your customer to choose that you can upcharge just a little bit. Overall, shirts are a great product to sell. Through all of our extensive research with all of these amazing products, these are the top sellers, and we were so thankful to be able to share these with you guys today. Again, if you want way more information on other products that will make you money and ones that you should steer clear of, click that very first link down below to get that free roadmap to success when building your business. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already to get notified for all the amazing content that we provide you guys. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.